Hello again! I had to stop for a while and I was just uh, trying to figure out a bit this, and it came on my mind. I probably need to assign that to a variable using like this, and yeah, that was the way to do it. So this will be joined on the as a one video on YouTube, but okay, let's keep doing that. So I finished here making the enemy or the creature finds the player and try to follow the player. So first thing, let's do that. If uh, let's use a square distance, so we don't need to do a square root calculation. It's on vector2 dot length. I think it's length is one minus another r distance array. Filho. My son asked me to change YouTube videos. Okay, distance array is the vector 2, and it's equals player position minus absolute player position minus position. And I only do that if player is not null. If player. At that, so if the distance array dot length squared is smaller or equal my flow range, follow range, not flow, my follow range times follow. Let's do this var where range equals follow range times follow range per range. So yeah, if my and I'm using square range because I'm using the distance range squared. So if the player is in range, I want to follow it. So let me create another function here. Follow player void, and here I will call follow player. I actually don't need this target. And then smash follow player. I just rotate in the player direction and move in the player direction. But to rotate in the player direction, I want to make the creature actually be like the player here. The default direction is right. And right, transform, rotation, minus 90. Great, what I want. And we get here to the script again. Follow player is look at, it's just player dot position. We're going to use my position as a reference. Let's use my position reference. If player, look at player, okay, and move. My move, the yeah, there's a delta here as well. Move this from delta and pass delta here. Be using so okay. I just need to set it up. Don't need delta. Just needs the velocity because I am a character body 2D as well. So velocity goes direction term. This velocity is direction vector dot thermalized times my speed. What did I call that? Just speed? Yes, just speed and move and slide. Okay, let's first just try that. Yeah, moving, but it's not facing me correctly. So yeah, probably don't need to use this calculation here. Let's try that. But on the velocity, yeah, I need to do that. 300, it's a bit too much. For range, let's 100 and see what. Yep, 100 is a nice. Yeah, I like the speed as well. Amazing. Okay, so step one done, and I need to get my water. Água. Water. Okay, now the next step I want is that the creatures to actually try to avoid light. Whoa, I got so interesting behavior here. And when they are inside the light, they will run really fast the other direction, and they will try to avoid that light. And one simple way I can try to do is come here on my collision. So let's give things layers. The ground is layer 1. The player will be layer 2. And the player collides ground and 4 for now. No, the 3 will be the player light. So the player do not collide with their own light. But they collide with enemies that will be layer 4. Okay. The light is layer 3 and they collide with layer 4 creatures. Let me do here. And the creature is layer 4. It collides with layer 2 and 3 and also the ground as well. They have collision. So they're collide with the other creatures as well. I don't want one overlapping another. So okay. Now let's see what this does. No, oh yeah, this is an area. So I can use a collision shape. My instead of an area, actually I can use a rigid body here. Can I change this? Change type? body. D. I got a static body 2D, rigid body 2D. The physics cannot be controlled directly. Instead, you must apply forces. No, I don't want it to move at all. Okay, that's perfectly. Let's try to see if that works. Palm light, I can get the same. Oh, yeah. Ah, static, static 2D. That's wrong here. Did I change it? Not rename. Just type. Yeah, static body 2D. My idea didn't get well, so let's do some Control Z's here. Control. Or just an area to be. Yeah, great. Let's go into the creature. Okay, if there a creature on vision ah, those are groups. Need to change that to float. I don't know. How do I check if something inside an area is in the area? Knows. Body entered. Also, it's probably here and not on the creature. From the palm light entered. Body is picture. So I want to pass a signal to that body. Let me go to my creature and signal entered light. That emit signal entered light. And I want this to have light. Here, just a reference to the light. Light itself. And let's add another signal. Exit. Maybe we need that, maybe not. Same here. We exited light. And let's go there. Here. Light, enter light. Oh, my lights will be area 2D. No, that's done that for now. Okay. So I need to actually connect that with something. On, enter light. On, exit light. Okay. So here, and the light that connects. On, light, and exit light that connects. On, exit light. Okay, great. Nice. I have a time moving away from that light as well. After are run away. So goes like 1 second. They will keep running from the light. On enter light, I actually want to get as far as I can from that light for 1 second. And there will be count after. Maybe 1 second is too much. Let's use 0.5. Because I will count after I get out of that light. So let's add a timer here. Timer. Run away timer. So let me pass a reference for that. Run away timer. Start. And let's call my away. Okay. Away station. Oh my god. And away duration. Better. Blah, 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 blah. Let's make this. And run away. Look how they run away here. Actually don't need a function, just the difference. Print. Car is running away. Oh, better. Run away from the node. Because I get the light. I try to run away from the light first. And if there's no light, they stop running away, but after some time. No, let's change that. I want two things. Is running away, the bow pause, and var run away direction. Vector2, vector2.0. So now I get is running away, it's true. Before I forget, let me add this on timeout. Running away equals false. Running away is true, and my run away direction should be my position minus the flag dot light as 2D position. It should be an area 2D always because all lights are area 2D. So I don't need this. Here. Vai, filhão. Yeah, that normalize. Great. Cool. If is run away, elif is not running away because run away has precedence. So now, like I did here, oh, that's here. Just get this, get it to add, and oh, not this. Look at like that. And now I want to rotate 100 degrees, so rotation is equals 180. Wait, just look at the other direction. Look that way. If it's running away, velocity equals run away direction times speed times a bit bigger 10% speed increase, so they run away. Let's check if it is working with the way I want. Run away, run away. Something is wrong here. Just stop, they don't run away. Oh, yes. 0. Move and slide. Okay, the light is too overpowered here. I need to make it less, but also the direction I'm changing here. Let's just see if into the correct position. So light, or let's try that. Why did they stop? They run for, oh yeah, they stop because they run for just short time. And remove that, Noah. Pega o controle pro papai, por favor. Okay, so let's just small tweak here. Pega o controle pro papai. Ali. Home light itself. Daytime is too big, way too big. 0.5. Let's check that. Oh, pega o controle pro papai ali, pro papai tirar. Ali, ó, no sofá. Thank you, Noah. Gato. Trem. And sometimes it's not working. Why did it run just a small tiny bit away? We never get there. But we always have a player. This else is here. I actually don't need this here. Stop by itself when there's no player nearby and not running away. That's just a bit. And it became too much. Smaller bit. Should be enough. The light is too small for a 1 second delay. When there spawn or a horde of enemies coming down to the player. I like the follow range for this creature. I probably need to make creature, and I will rename this to creature because you can have other creatures as well. You can make a creature an abstract class instead of this. No, actually not. Oh, there it is. There's seed. Yeah, some creatures might work differently, but all creatures, for now, let's leave this as it is. and I just copy paste everything. Okay. So this is my car mechanic. You move around, you scare off creatures. You don't kill them, but you probably can make something that makes them way or something. We don't have the damage system yet. I will not implement that right now, as I'm trying to test other things. I will not add enemies right now, so other stuff I wanna add is actually like a creature spawner. So my goo, where's my goo? So you creature goo, you should be on another ordering, so you'll be below the player but above the ground. Let's call you 5. Here's my starting goo. Don't want that. I want a creature spawner. So let's create a goo spawner for now. Or let's create a creature spawner and make that generic. Child, simply a node 2D creature spawner. And let's add a script to that. Yeah, no default. So I have word var creature type that will be character body 2D for now. I let default be no defaults. I have a creature type and our max font integer equals by default 1. I can add more. Word our spawn delay, or yeah, let's call delay float the time I need to wait before spawning another one. So let's do this by default 5 seconds. And last on time goes row func ready last spawn time. I don't want creatures to start right away. So, or do I want to do start? No, don't start right away. It should be a nice idea. Changing goes last time or here on delay. Okay. Process. Oh, can add a timer. Timer. Spawn. Timer. Did that? Spawn. Yep. Reference for that. Spawn timer. Dot start. And spawn timer should be one shot. I actually forgot to set one shot for other timers as well. You are one shot. Another timer. Oh, maybe that's why. Okay, one shot. For the start. Okay. Now let's connect on the spawn timer timeout. So that's when, oh my god, add that to the player. Let's disconnect this. Let's make this I have something here to make this another scene. Oh, save bridge as a scene, creature spawner. Okay, yeah, that way I now and okay. So now I connect my spawn timer here, and function spawn. Call this here just for easy reading. So spawn start. Okay, when I spawn, if yeah, and, variable var on a not do not be necessary. The creatures will be spawned as childs. So for child in get children, child is returner, it's body 2D. E foi, filho? Papai tá ocupado, meu amor. Fala o que você quer. Fala o que você quer. Just a second. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. Okay, back again. So our count 0. Here. If you don't know, this column equals it. I'm setting a type. So this is integer. So I'm setting integer to count instead of letting it be any type. So count count smaller than max count. Then I spawn. Vai lá pedir pra mamãe. Vai lá, mamãe tá lá, ela dá pra você. Great. I need to add a reference to the not the creature type only. Let me check one thing here. Spectre. I need to assign this No, I don't want. Okay, how to assign a scene to be instantiated. I don't know how to do that yet. How to assign scene field in the inspector be not Unity. No. Package scene. Errors. Drag that. Probably yes. So creature type instantiate our creature equals the creatures are going to be spawned on the same spot. Let's do that for now. Dot position as body 2D for now. Position, position, and rotation, whatever. Okay, so well, actually let's rotate it. Randomly creature dot rotate and the F. Between 0 and 1, and I need to multiply it by pi. So it will be facing a random direction. And add child creature. And of course, again, I start spawn timer. And every spawn time, it will wait that. Sometimes maybe let's say it it needs 1 more second to spawn to check this spawn, and then there are no more creatures of that type on the there are more creatures on the spawner, and it will spawn a second right away, and that's okay. 5 seconds is too much. Let's make it down to 3. And okay, now let's check my creature spawner on my scene, giving this this creature. So where will be my creature spawner? Let's make it be around here. Probably need to add some kind of visual. For now, let's just check. Na, 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 na. Whoa! I got a problem. I probably need to load it first. Reload. Type. But path. See how it works here. Here. Should add that as okay. I'm not the time for now. You just be this. Reload. Try that. Okay, made one. But yeah, creature, no problem. I don't get my player. So let's fix that here. My spawner. When I spawn, let's also do this. Uh, I'm doing some really wrong things right here. Oh, hello again. It's the viewer sellers. Nah, that's stupid. Really stupid. So creature dot yeah, I really need to make that better. Dot player equals food. How this work? Oh, maybe I can set just this here already. Here, not player, then player get node and resource and as okay. If I have no player, I try to find this and get the first. Let's check that. For now, let's go to main scene here and change the spawn delay to 1 second and max spawn to 3 just to check. 1, 2, 3. And they're still not getting the references. Okay, yeah, I have a lot of work to do here. Just can't use that. Okay, back here. Here, unique. The matter. Found the way. Get the first reference I find of the player. Let's try. Get 3 dot root dot mode child index no int. Try to find child find child player. Int found and find any player. Let's try that. Yeah, they collided with one closer. Why it's so hard to find a player on the running scene? C# it was really easy. At children, just one. Print child. A child. Let's spawner global main main. So the root is the real root. Didn't trying to find. Oh yeah. Okay. So Main is a child of the root node. Oh, here equals 3 get dot root dot find child player, but I go recursive. Where's the standoff? Code whose pattern? The matching is done against node names, not their paths. Blah 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 blah. If recursive is false, only these direct children are checked. They're checked in three orders. So first child is checked first, and blah blah blah. Then first, I need to make own. Recursive is true. You should look for the main as well. Children. Should find a player. Let's try true and true and see what happens. So here. Do I have to? No? Try that. Cool. See what happens. Yet. We do that all the time. Hence, let's try some. Hey, Noah. Or, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm trying too much here. I'll not always have the same main scene. I have like levels. So I wanted to find by name. Like that group idea. How do I do that? Layer. Group, 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 group. Global groups. Try that. Name player. Achieve that first node in group. Okay. Just that. I am part of a group now. No. Oh, yeah, node in this group. I go to the main. Oh, players. Ah, finally. But why did you stop and we're not getting closer? Okay, they're spawning. They're fighting the player. Nice. So I can use global groups. It's easy to handle groups. That's a huge advance now. But I'm still not. I'm still. I don't know why it started to do things like the inverse replay. Start and it moves. Try to move closer to me. Okay, they're moving in the right thing, but they try to they try to be close to me, but not close enough. And when I use a light, they run towards me. Sorry. That was fun. Whoa, 1331. Oh, I love to see same numbers or inverse numbers. I usually tell my brother when I see that, and he tells me when he's well. Okay, so let's go back to my oh mosh pit. Okay, yeah, I got my player. Okay, start not running away. He always falls. Start my numbers here. Position. And yes, there will be probably a way to destroy the creatures, sending them to lava pits or other things, or maybe using a light attack that's really powerful. Mhm. Just set the position and just add it as a child. Child just spawn and you just make them move. But here, where the logic star is stored, it's running away. I just run away. Not running away. I get the player position, range. If I'm close enough to the player. If I'm not close enough to the player, I do nothing. Let me turn that velocity equals dot zero divided with a velocity of zero. I have a player, I get the direction to the player, I look at the player position, I move in the player direction. Okay? True? I will try just to load my project and no. You got stuck again, right? I don't know what the range is. It's probably the that's not just 100. The simple right here. Just check that right. Hmm. And then that circle around the player. Oh yeah, that was enough. It is the distance there. Follow the player. So they are chasing the player when they are longer or away from the player. Stop chasing when they're. It doesn't make sense, but let's just check this and see what happens. Yeah, now they're if they're too far away, try to get closer. At 100, yeah, 100 radius. That was. Oh, so they probably. Are there any other regions? Corner doesn't have any collision. Dun, 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 dun. Second, check one thing. Yeah, I still have 3 days. Submit. If you want to join as well, here's the link. But I cannot find what's wrong here. It was working before. Like follow half the way to where I am. And it's not a collision there, because otherwise it would be sent away. Just chase me half of the distance. Half of the distance. There are no lights there. I think it's blocking then. Maybe. Vector normalized, but length paired. One. Eight. Help! Yeah. Okay, they're moving. They're moving really, really slow. Yeah, it has velocity. What? Oh, it's switching velocity. Minus y. When it gets halfway to the player, the velocity inverses. That's why it's switching directions. But that doesn't make sense for me. the same. Get the direction here. I don't think this will change anything, but yeah. Hmm. Oi, filho. I know what? Papai está ocupado. O que você quer? Não, agora não, filho. Deixa o papai terminar aqui. Oh, it's not light changing it. There's no light there. What? Well, I need to figure this out later. See you soon.